Suppose the government wants to lower the price of tomato juice by imposing a price control. The current market price is $2. A, should the government impose a price floor or a price ceiling? Well, if the government wants to lower the price of tomato juice, then it wants to impose a price ceiling because it's saying you can't charge a higher price than this. So to lower, then it wants to have a price ceiling. Illustrate and explain the effects if the appropriate price control is set at $3. So here I'll draw my demand and my supply curve, labeling my axes, demand and supply. There's the equilibrium quantity, and the equilibrium price is set at $2. And if I was to impose a price ceiling of $3, you're essentially saying you're not allowed to charge any higher than this. But if I was to set a price ceiling at $3, then nothing would happen because no one's actually trying to charge $3 because the market price is $2. So for a price ceiling at $3, this would do nothing. Illustrate and explain the effects if the appropriate price control is set at $1. So again, I draw my demand and supply curve, equilibrium quantity, the equilibrium price is set at $2. And now if the price ceiling is set at $1, then this is your quantity supplied, this is your quantity demanded. This is going to be an effective price ceiling because you're lowering the price and you're saying you can't charge any more than $1. So those market price people are trying to charge $2, they have to lower their price to $1. At $1, there'll be far fewer producers who are willing to supply, and so the quantity supply decreases. There'll be far more consumers who want to buy, so the quantity demand increases. And the result is excess demand, or what we call a shortage. So you've lowered the price of tomato juice, and you've helped consumers of tomato juice, but only those consumers who actually get to consume the particular quantity that actually is provided.